Hi all, welcome to my channel. I'm Mark, this is Mark's Mods, and today guys we are going to finish off our Spitfire week by doing issue 101 and 102 of the Spitfire. Now these are now working on the diorama parts, the ground crew for the Spitfire. Now as you know, I wasn't planning on doing these, collecting the diorama, but because obviously I've had a problem with the newsagents and getting the Titanic, I thought, why not, let's just finish this model off. So these issues aren't long at all. 101 is very simple, and so is 102. So what I've decided to do is put the videos together, just sort of gives you a bit more to watch. And I'm probably going to do that with the diorama parts because I don't think they're going to be long issues at all really to do. Not like when we were building the plane. Anyway, let's get started on this. So with all that said, let's get modelling. Okay, so I'll start with 101. And in issue 101, we get the, well, I would say ammunition loader. Just like this. So that's what the figurine looks like. I'd say the same quality as the Route Master figurines, I would say. So if I put that to one side, we have got a little bit of building in issue 101. And that's the ammunition box. So what we need to do, we need to bob the lid on. Now it does say we can glue this if we want, but it's quite a nice connection actually. And then what we need to do is we just need to put the handles on the side. This is why I said there's not that much to build with the diorama. I mean 102 there's a bit more to build. Okay, so that's the first handle on. Get the second one, which is stuck in between my fingernails. Okay, and that's two. So they're now on. So that is 101 complete. We'll now move on to 102. So 102, we're starting work on the tractor. So if we get these pieces here, we need to put them together. So we need to line up all the pegs. And then we need to screw this down this side. And that's going to be done by a 2.3 times 5mm screw. I don't recall using these screws in the past, so I don't know if they're a new type. We're just going to screw into there. And then we need to screw on the other side, just in here. Okay, right, so the next part we need is this part here. That's just going to simply sit on top like that. But what we do need to do, we need to screw this down. And again, it's the same 2.3 times 5mm PB screws. And we have a little cover for this. Now, it does say you can glue this, but I think that's quite a good push-fit connection, so I'm not going to glue that. Okay, turning the page of the magazine over, we need this part next. That's just going to simply sit in there like that. And then again, we need to turn it over and screw in a 2.3 times 5mm screw. Just into here. Just like that. Okay, next part is this part here. And this is going to simply sit. If I turn it around into there like so. But that is quite loose. I am going to say that. Now, unless something is going over to stop that, I may have to glue it. So, the next part is this part here. And that's going to fit, I think, over that. And I'll stop that other part from coming out, I think. Yeah. So that fits over there. And then we need to screw that in again with a 2.3 times 5mm screw. Like that. So it does get held in there. And that's all we need to do. So obviously we'll probably complete the tractor in the next issue, which will be 103. In fact, let's have a look what's coming in 103. Top panel, exhaust and silencer, radiator, fuel tank, gear lever, headlights, rear view, mirror and other details for the tractor. So that's what's coming in next week's issue. Well, it won't be next week, it'll be in a few weeks because obviously we've had delivery of this, but that's what will be coming up next when we get the next lot of Spitfires. And I've really enjoyed that actually. I mean, it's nice to make something other than them giving us a standalone model to build. So yeah, I'm just going to see if I can tighten that up a little bit. There we go. Right, so that's issue 101, 102 complete. Well, that's it for issue 101 and 102 of the Spitfire, and that actually ends our Spitfire marathon that we've been doing all week because I've got no more parts to build. So yeah, I'll be waiting on my next shipment of Spitfire. So basically next week's going to go back to the normal schedule. We just had a bit of a Spitfire week to finish the Spitfire off. I'm saying Spitfire a lot here. To finish the model off, and obviously because we haven't been working on it in such a long time, it's to have a nice week of just getting this Spitfire done. But yeah, now I'm waiting on my next lots of for the model. Try and get my tongue out there, try and get my words out there. Anyway, if you like this video, please give it a massive thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed, please remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell, and you'll be notified of any future videos. But as for always, guys, stay safe and bye for now.